Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to invoke Agentforce Service Agent in enhanced web chat with custom messages. The out-of-the-box solution what we get from Salesforce will allow the users to click the chat icon which appears on the bottom right corner. Once they click it, it will invoke the enhanced web chat. Once the enhanced web chat is invoked, it will wait for the Agentforce agent to join the conversation. Once the Agentforce agent joins the conversation, then the users can start inputting their issues or concerns so that the Agentforce agent can help on their request. But with the custom solution, what we are going to see in this video will help in reducing the overall time for the end users. Instead of waiting for the users to click the chat icon, waiting for the enhanced web chat to load, and waiting for the Agentforce service agent to join, and then waiting for the users to input the text, we can try to automate all of these with this custom solution what we are going to see in this video. Let's see a demo, and then we will see the technical design and solution that was done in order to achieve this use case. So this is my external website where my enhanced web chat code snippet is hosted. Here, as an end user, I can click need help with my order, or I can select need help with my case, or I can also type in the message, I would like to know my order status. The order number is 12345. I'm giving some random number. As an end user, I will click send icon. It is automatically invoking my enhanced web chat. The Agentforce agent joined the conversation. The message whatever I typed in is passed to the Agentforce service agent. The Agentforce agent is trying to assist me with the message. So it is asking me to provide the email address so that it can help in checking the order status. If I didn't have this custom solution, then what I would have done is I would have clicked the chat icon which appears on the bottom right. I should wait for the enhanced chat widget to load. I should wait for the Agentforce service agent to join, and then I have to type in this message. Now let me end the chat, close it. But with this simple UI experience, I was able to reduce the overall time for the end users to vent out their issues. Now let's look at the technical side of it. So this is the CSS I have used for this particular chat UI experience. I have given couple of suggestions, and then I have used input box with an send icon so that whenever they click it, it will send that message. Okay, I'm not going to go deep into the HTML part of it, but this is the CSS, and also this is the HTML part of it. So the important thing here is whenever they click the send icon, or whenever they select any of the recommendations or suggestions that are given here, it will invoke hide chat container. So with the help of hide chat container JavaScript method, I am hiding the chat UI. So because whenever I select any of these options, or whenever I input the message, and then whenever I click this send icon, I wanted to hide this chat UI. So with that particular JavaScript method, I am hiding it. Once that is done, I am launching the chat with the help of launch chat JavaScript method. In this launch chat JavaScript method, I am making use of embedded service underscore bootstrap dot util API dot launch chat method. This method will invoke the embedded service deployment code snippet. It will try to open the chat widget whenever I select any of these options, or whenever I input some message and then I click send icon, it will open the chat widget. Okay, so with the help of that I was able to launch it. Once that is launched, I'm using send message to chat method. So this is the send message to chat method, the JavaScript method. Here I'm using set timeout. In the set timeout, I'm using embedded service underscore bootstrap dot util API dot send text message method. With the help of this message, I am sending the suggestions, whatever they have selected, or if they have if they have entered the message and then if they clicked send icon, the message whatever they have inputted is passed on to this embedded service underscore bootstrap dot util API dot send text message. Whenever they end the conversation, I wanted to display the chat UI again. In order to achieve that, I'm making use of the events that are available in enhanced chat. On embedded messaging conversation opened, whenever this event is fired, I'm hiding the chat container. So whenever the chat widget is opened, I wanted to hide the chat container, so I will hide it whenever the chat widget from the Salesforce embedded service deployment is launched. Next, on embedded messaging window close, whenever they close the window or whenever the messaging button is created. So here the on the bottom right corner, the messaging with the chat icon will be loaded. Whenever that happens, I'm making use of show chat container method. Using this show chat container, I'm just displaying the chat UI. So with the help of util API and also with the help of event listener, I was able to achieve this particular experience. One more important thing here is I'm making use of embedded service underscore bootstrap dot settings dot hide chat button on load equal to true. I'm making use of this particular attribute to true, so that whenever the page is loaded, by default the chat icon which appears on the bottom right will be hidden, so that I'm giving an experience to the end users to select any of these suggestions, or they can input the message here and then they can click the send icon. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you will be able to see the entire implementation design and solution. And also, I have shared the entire HTML code I have used in my external website to achieve this user experience. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.